this video, I will be showing you how to increase the number of stitches you have in a row using single crochet. So let's say I've worked up into the point until I need to increase. So I'm going to increase the number of stitches that I have in this stitch. So that just means working 2 or more stitches into one stitch. So this is my stitch, and normally I would work 1 single crochet in that stitch and then move on. But to increase, you can actually work as many stitches as you need to into this one stitch. So I'm going to work, let's say 1, 2 more for a total of 3 stitches packed into that one stitch. So I'm going to continue my row of single crochet. And you can see the row will even start to change shape because of the number of stitches that you have. And the same goes for double crochet. So if you want to increase the number of stitches but you're working in double crochet, so these 3 stitches are where I increased last time, and say I want to increase again. So I've worked 1 stitch into this stitch from the previous row, and say I want to work 2 more. So instead of moving on to this next stitch, I'm going to insert my hook into that same stitch that I just worked into, but I'm going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now I've worked 2 stitches into that 1 stitch, and I'm going to work 1 more. So that's 1 more, and you can see they're all kind of jammed in there. And now I'm going to just work until the end of the row. Okay, and you can see that now it's really starting to change shape because of the number of stitches that you have. Because if you add more, it's just gonna grow and grow and grow. So that's how you increase using single and double crochet.